So this week, we're stuck between a lock and a hard place. We had a falling out with the front door, and now it's refusing us entry into the house. Just like anything, though, communication is key to resolving conflict, and it really opens up a lot of doors. Okay, enough with the puns. Let's get ready to lock and roll. Hi, my name's Gary. This is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. So while getting 8 packages a day delivered from Amazon sounds like a lot of fun, things started to get a little crowded here in Matt's garage. All we ask is for you to get involved. Like the video, comment on the products you'd like to win, subscribe to Review to You with notifications enabled so that we can let you know each week when the winners are announced. Okay, back to today's product review and giveaway. It's the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Okay, guys, how many of you have been in this scenario? You have your hands full with fishing gear, groceries, luggage, or any number of heavy, bulky items. You get to the front door and without putting anything on the ground, try to fumble around for that key in your pocket with your spare solitary finger. It's then a case of trying to unlock the deadbolt using all the dexterity you can muster while holding something so bulky it prevents you from doing so. Sure, the easy solution would be to just put down some bags and unlock the door. But hey, we're men and we don't work that way. So the next best option is to go with something like the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Kwikset is a company that's pretty much instantly jumped onto the whole smart house network bandwagon. They've been producing technologically integrated locks for years. The Halo is no exception. There's a number of ways to get it open in lieu of the more traditional key-only approach. So what do we like about the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock? Straight up, the sheer number of options now available for us to get into the house. Remember that one free finger we had to use to try to navigate the key into the lock? Well, now that finger can be used to punch in a numerical code on a built-in keypad. It's a case of elegant solutions for everyday problems after all, right? In fact, it can store up to 250 unique user codes, so your friends, your family, and guests can all get their own private number. These are all managed from the Kwikset app, where you can enable, disable, or delete codes at will, as people either make it onto your Christmas card list or get canceled from it. If that doesn't float your boat, there's a mobile phone app linked to the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock through your home network. It's as easy as pushing the big unlock button on screen and knowing that the door will open well before you decide to load yourself up like a pack mule and trudge from the car to your doorstep. The Kwikset app will also log event history of who has been coming and going. And you can even opt to receive notifications. It's a surefire way to prevent teenagers from sneaking out for a midnight romantic rendezvous. This all comes by way of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity built straight into the device. If you're more a fan of being vocal, the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock also supports both Alexa and Google Home Assistants. Simply make a voice command and be impressed as you hear the deadbolt slide inside the lock. Open sesame. The unit itself is easy to install and designed to be used with most door types. Not only does it look the business, thanks to its modern chrome-heavy styling, the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock is also BHMA grade AAA certified. In short, it looks good and it's mighty hard to break into. What's the downside? No beating around the bush. It's a tad on the expensive side. But, on the other hand, using Open Sesame to open the door to your own private castle does get some serious cool points. Sadly, it's not supported by third-party smart home software like HomeKit or IFTT, so you'll need to use the Kwikset proprietary phone app. So what's the verdict? All jokes aside, the big kid in us loves gadgets, and having one greet you at the door is no different. Besides, we feel a little bit like 007 after getting a taste of the power that it's monitoring and allowing whoever you want in your home. We give it a rating of 4.5 stars. If you have the spare coin, treat yourself and get one of these babies. And the Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hashtag LOCK. That's it. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.